To withdraw buying power in Robinhood, start by understanding what buying power is. Buying power refers to the amount of money available in your account to purchase securities. It is the sum of your cash balance and the value of any unsettled trades. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Navigate to the account icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to view your account summary. In the account summary, you will see your cash balance and your buying power. The cash balance is the amount of money that is immediately available for withdrawal. The buying power, on the other hand, includes the value of any unsettled trades. To withdraw buying power, you need to settle any outstanding trades. This means waiting for any recently sold securities to settle, which usually takes 2 trading days. Once all trades have settled, your buying power will be equal to your cash balance. To initiate a withdrawal, tap on the transfer button, usually represented by a $sign or an arrow. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it does not exceed your cash balance. Review the withdrawal details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transaction. The funds will be transferred to your linked bank account, and the withdrawal will be processed. It is essential to note that Robinhood may have some restrictions on withdrawals, such as a minimum withdrawal amount or a waiting period for new accounts. Always review the Robinhood support pages for the most up-to-date information on withdrawal policies. In summary, to withdraw buying power in Robinhood, wait for any outstanding trades to settle. Navigate to the account summary. Tap on the transfer button. Enter the withdrawal amount, review the details, and confirm the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your buying power from Robinhood.